Hi, in this video, we are going to walk through using Wan-Alpha. Wan-Alpha is a brand new model built on Wan 2.1 that lets you create transparent background videos. So it is taking RGB and adding the alpha A so that you can create video game assets, animations for websites, and just assets that are transparent videos from the start where you don't have to remove the background later or you don't have to struggle for hours as I have with Lottie files. And you can make all sorts of assets. Here they are with their demos, and you can see that they're showing off how they have semi-transparency with glass effects, how they can have subtle lighting effects. It's not just exist or not exist. And then we see with the detail of the fur of this hat and the fur of the dog, how detailed you can get on the outline of a character without having weird remnants that you might get if you remove the background after generating. So let's dive in. We are going to use Wan2GP on RunPod in an RTX 5090. If you need help spinning that up, I will link to a separate video for that. One setup item is disabling Sage attention and setting SDPA as the attention type because the version of Sage in the RunPod template does not work well with the 5090. But once we've done that, we can go and select Wan 2.1 Alpha. We're going to run it on the default setting first, and then we are going to paste in a prompt. Unfortunately, this is a text-to-video model, so we have to be careful about the prompt. I'm following the pattern they used in their example prompts by saying first, this video has a transparent background, and then a sentence on what the subject is. Here, a golden retriever puppy with fine, dense fur sways in the wind, its tail gently wagging, and then saying the style you want here, realistic style, and then the shot type, medium shot. I followed this pattern for all of the prompts, and they turned out pretty well. Then I'm going to select 720p and make this a 9:16 vertical video. Then I'm going to keep the default settings. This is 30 steps by default, so I am going to select T-Cache to accelerate it a bit. Great. Otherwise, we're ready to go and click generate. The first time it runs, it will take a little longer because it has to download the model weight. Keep in mind, this model is also using its special VAE for the alpha channel. While it's running, we can tail our logs by entering tail-f wan2gp.log in our terminal. And then we see our video was completed in 25 minutes, and we see the output there. The output file is pretty useless. It has these gray squares in the background, but we see our golden retriever puppy looks pretty good. But we do not want these actual gray background squares, so there's a couple steps we have to do to actually get the file the way we want it to be. So we are going to go into our terminal and install unzip if you don't already have it. On Ubuntu, you should be able to just do apt update and then apt install unzip, and that will install it for you. And then we are going to go into our Wan2GP outputs where our files are. So this model outputs that NP4 file that we saw with the gray background squares, and it also gives us a zip file with all of the PNGs that make up the frames of the video. And that's what we want to create, an aggregation of those frames to create our video. So we're going to create a directory, call it golden, and then we're going to move that zip file into the golden directory. And then we're going to go into that directory, and we have our zip file there, and then we're going to unzip it with unzip and then the file name. And then we see we have all of these PNG files, 81 of them, because we created 81 frames, starting with the 0 PNG. And then to convert the PNGs into video, we're going to use FFmpeg. If you're using the RunPod template, it's already installed. This is the command that works to use it. I will link in the video comments to where you can find this command. And once you run it, you will get a file, a .mlv file in your directory. And then we're going to use the Jupyter file browser just to download that onto our local machine. And then we see our puppy video with the fur flying in the wind and a completely transparent background. So we can take our puppy to an underwater world, out to the snow, or time traveling through space without doing anything other than finding a background video. Now I will show you the lightning setup. You just have to select lightning up at the top there, and then that will automatically apply the Light X2V LoRa so that the generation will be much faster, but the quality will suffer. So we will use the same prompt for comparison purposes. and then select 720p, 9:16. This will only require 4 inference steps. We will keep everything at the default. We will not use Tcache step skipping since we only have 4 inference steps, and then we'll click generate. And then we get our results in about 4.5 minutes, so much faster, but as you can see in the side-by-side, the dog is a bit scruffier than our full version. But even with the fast version, we see that the fur is nicely separated from the background. I also made this person in the full version of the Lightning. You can see in the Lightning version, her body is a little transparent. And then an interesting use of this model is creating motion graphics like these. I used the full version of the model, and I will provide the prompts in the linked document. And here's the octopus that Wan2GP creates with the default prompt. I hope this was helpful. If so, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.